Today I want to talk about Facebook Get Paid to Post program. Now I've been doing this from, let's just say, from last 90 days, and I'm going to show you how much I have made. Now this is from basically from subscription, and people are paying me for the subscriptions which I'm been posting. Okay, there are people who also subscribe to your content, and if I show you the earnings in the last 90 days from just alone from my Facebook content monetization, and it is loading, so let's just take right. So you can see from the last 90 days have been earned approximate earnings or 748. Now they say approximate earnings because it can be less or it can be more, but it's not gonna be significant less or more. So you can see I had $47 a day and $9 a day, and up to highest which is 70 $70 a day. Okay, now if you can look at the stars, and people are also sending me stars, and you can see recently I got stars on one of my posts. It's 50 stars. 50 stars is nothing but half a dollar. And if I take it to the subscriptions, and you can see I have 7 subscribers, which I have gained in the last 90 days. I think I have gained the subscribers in just 1 week. So if I show you, let me just go here and click on last 7 days, and yep, so I have gained subscribers, 7 subscribers in this week itself. Okay, now let me just take it to the 90 days. So if I show you the content monetization, you can see so around $737, and reels $95. Photos alone made me $400+ and stories. For posting stories, Facebook is paying me, and also the text, and this is a bonus. Now bonus are nothing but the programs inside the Facebook content monetization itself. They're gonna pay you for little challenges you complete. So if you want to learn how to do it, then DM me, or there'll be a link in the description. You can check that out, and you're going to learn everything how to do it, how to use AI to do it, especially in 2026. With that said, catch you on the next one.